The new Splash development is phenomenal.
Butlins is synonymous with British seaside resorts. They kind of go hand in hand. So we wanted to bring the British seaside into Butlins Splash Waterworld.
This is deliberately different from a normal pool environment, and the rides and the features are a testament to that.
What we wanted obviously was not a swimming pool. Anybody can do swimming pools. We wanted a Butlins swimming pool. It created something completely different. The important thing for me from this video is that people get as excited about this project as I do. You know, I've been working on it for 3 years. And when it was only something on a sheet of paper, you can never envisage just what it was going to be like. Over the last few months, as we've seen it come out of the ground, as I've stood on the top of the tower and seen the views we've got up there and just appreciate the sheer scale of it and just what a great attraction it's going to be for Butlins Skegness. It's going to be a great day, the first time those people come down those flumes, and just to see the look on the children's faces, really enjoying what all the hard work has been about. We've employed the best architects we could find, we've had great interior designers, but the most important people in helping us to make the decisions have been our customers.
I think my little boy is really going to enjoy the rock pool and putting his face in the water and seeing some of the sea creatures that we've buried on the bottom of the rock pool.
It's meant to be a break for people and get people away from their normal everyday working environment. As a dad myself, I know exactly what it's like. My daughter's already hopping on about coming here as well, so undoubtedly bring the family here at some point. Yeah, people have enjoyed coming to Butlins for a number of years, and the existing pool features were great at their time. The times move on, Butlins move on, they understand what the guests are looking for.
We've created an environment that's littered with choices, and we've just obviously taken the seaside element of it and made it bigger and bolder and more of a fantasy environment.
For existing customers who already know what the Splash is like, it was a very large Waterworld, it was always our most popular facility. This is 50% bigger.
There's 4 main pool areas and 4 rides. We have the beach wave pool, the rapids, the whirlpool and the new children's pool. The family raft ride speaks for itself. That's one for everybody in riding a 4-person dinghy.
The space bowl, completely disorientated when you get down the bottom of it, and we know people want to go through it again and again.
So in terms of excitement levels, the adrenaline ride, that's access right at the top of the tower, fastest ride, about 15 to 20 seconds of sheer speed.
But we also wanted something that we could create reasons to come back to. So for the first time, we're going to have a DJ box in there, so we can change the environment completely in the dark.
It is a space designed for playing. So it's 3-dimensional. We've got cargo nets in the ceiling so you can walk high above the pools.
Now, as a comparison with normal municipal or what you call your average leisure centre pool, this is actually a world away from that.
I think at Butlins, we understand that the parents are happy if the children are happy, and we want to provide a safe environment for them and something for everyone. So whether you've got toddlers or young children or teenagers, there's got to be something that excites everybody really.
It was absolutely key that we stuck to the principles of our founder, Billy. He always said, our true intent is all for your delight. And we've tried to make sure that we've done that with the new Splash Waterworld, and we're absolutely confident if he came back now, he would be so proud of what he started here in 1936. People have asked me how these flumes, how you can go faster on them, and one of our architects seems to believe that's possible by wearing tight swim trunks. I think that's highly doubtful actually. Personal experience, the heavier I get, the faster I always go. But everybody will find new ways to do it, and that's the great thing. You don't have to do these flumes once. You'll go down them 9 or 10 times a day, and you can do it every day during your holiday. So you let us know what's the fastest way to get down those flumes, and other ways that you can really enjoy them and create a different experience every time you use them.